If your Toshiba TDDP5013ES2 dehumidifier is running but not collecting any water, the issue is usually related to airflow restrictions, incorrect humidity settings, or environmental conditions in the room. Dehumidifiers extract moisture from the air using a cooling coil and fan system, so anything that blocks airflow or reduces humidity levels can affect water collection. Fortunately, most no-water extraction problems can be solved with a few simple checks and basic maintenance. Try these. Step 1. Check the humidity setting on the control panel and make sure it's set lower than the current room humidity level. Step 2. Remove the water bucket and confirm it is properly inserted and not triggering the safety switch. Step 3. Take out the air filter and clean it with warm water or a soft brush to restore proper airflow. Step 4. Ensure the room temperature is above about 65 degrees Fahrenheit, 18 degrees Celsius, since low temperatures reduce moisture extraction. Step 5. Restart the dehumidifier and allow it to run for 30-60 minutes to verify that water begins collecting in the tank.